Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed, and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. So, I am doing this will be a quick one. This is well, I'm going to combine them actually. So I have two. So I am going to do my Scentbird unboxing for December, and then my Liveglam unboxing. So I'm going to do them together, just so, because one's fragrance and the other one's should be an eyeshadow palette. So, from Scentbird, and I love this because then I can try some, and then right now what I'm doing is I'm getting one for me and one for my husband, so we can try out some fragrances together. So I got these two. Oh, they sell me the sample for the Bella Blanca by Oscar de la Renta. I do want to try this one. This is on my list. So the Bella Blanca little sample thing, I usually put it in my thing. Wait. Oh. I was like, I only ordered two. They accidentally sent me an extra one. Okay, so the first one I got, let's see. So is going to be the Versace Man. Last month I got Hugo Man. This month I got Versace Man. And I love that they send these cards and they tell you about them. So for Versace Man, and I've smelled it and I really like it. So I'm hoping my husband does also like it. So it is a aromatic sage and tarragon play against lemon, starfruit, and rosewood in this unique take on the eau de cologne style. Sycamore wood, musk, and amber complete this warmly spiced cologne. Let's see what this is. I don't know why I tried just to spray that. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. I hope my husband likes this. It smells good. So, like I said, one for the hubby, and then one for me. So the one I got for me was Juliet Has a Gun, Miss Charming. So, and I know why I picked it. Miss Charming is a ramble down a country road, spent picking fresh black and red berries, wild roses, with bright sunlight always over your shoulder. So since I sprayed that hand, I don't want to spray that side. Oops, almost sprayed the... Oh my gosh. Oh, I like. It's definitely, it reminds me, it's definitely the raspberry. It doesn't say raspberry, it says strawberry and blackberry. But I'm a liking. Me a likey. Ooh, yes. So, but yeah, it is limited, and I like that. It's like, if you watch my Fragrance Friday, there was a lot of scents to it. I mean, it was like, my nickname for it is Suicide Fruit Punch, which I know some people are like, ooh, I like the idea of that. Yeah, it's cool, but there's a lot of scents that you're just overstimulated and stuff. It's a great, I like it, and it's nice, but this one's just simple. Rose, blackberry, strawberry. So I think the top notes, blackberry, the heart is rose, and then the base is strawberry. And it reminds me of, someone's gonna laugh, and I know someone's gonna laugh. It reminds me of like the old bottles of lotion from Avon. That was just like the rose one, and but it's it's not like the old lady scent. It's that scent that just, you're like, I miss that. So, good going, Juliet Has a Gun. I like this Miss Charming. I'm definitely excited to try this. So I will put it in my body, the sample thing. Okay. So the other one I have is Liveglam. So I like Liveglam. I started it because of the brushes, and then I lost interest in brushes because I have so many. So then they came out, lipsticks didn't really do it for me. I was like, whatever. So then after that, and that was monthly. This one is like quarterly, and so they do a palette every, like, I think 4 times a year. Yeah. So every 3 months. So this one is called, the palette's called You Better Swatch Out. And it's called Shadow Me Better. So it's like Morphe brushes, the Liveglam lips, like Kiss Glam. And, ooh. And I like that because here's the thing, but the case looks, I mean, it's just all sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the back, how it just kind of, it's got some glitter going on. Look, now, so to me, this is a lot of our dose of colors that we got. So it has like a row of the, you know, the browns, the nudes, warm nudes. And then it has like warm brights. And that's what I would call these. These are warm brights. Even that blue and stuff. So, hold on. Let's check some of these colors out. So we're going to do the top 3. Now that blue is a little poppin'. So, I did the orange, the blue. The green's a little iffy. But it is cold. I just got home and it was outside. So, but such nice warm colors. So that's definitely something to play with. Gee, you know me. I love playing with eyeshadows, so that's not an issue. I told a friend of mine's like, because I love Wayne Goss, and when he samples shadows, he puts them on his face with a brush, which I absolutely adore. Just adore. I think it's fun. But I like this. It's like, you better, instead of you better watch out, it's you better swatch out. So that is so fun. And I am getting through all my subscriptions and stuff because I have 7 boxes of subscription boxes things over here. So there, you guys are going to see a few videos of this Christmas red. I am going to work on a few. I popped my wrist. So, but I'm loving this. I'm excited about this. And like I said, ho ho ho, our new Shadow Me palette has arrived just in time for the holidays. You won't be pouting with these 10 stunning shades. With 7 shimmers and 3 mattes, this jolly palette has everything you need to create some naughty and nice looks for the holidays. And the only thing on our wish list is seeing you jingle lady slay these shades. So meet us under the mistletoe and tag your Elfie with Live Glam Fam. So you can also get some extra chestnuts and be automatically entered. You know, they have that thing. Of course, you know, they want to get this out here. And I don't, like, of my friends, I don't know of anyone that gets what's called Live Glam. But it is a subscription I really like. The brushes are Morphe brushes, and you get like from what, 3 to 5 or 6 brushes every month for $20. This is $20 every so many months. The lippies are the same way, and it's like you get 4 to 6 a month, which is fine. But I have over 900 lipsticks, so I stopped doing those. And then the Morphe brushes are great, but they don't rock my world and such. So I kind of canceled everything but the eyeshadow. And I just, you know, that's fun. So to me, it's really cool. I love Live Glam. It's just fun because it's a surprise and it's a palette. So like, do I love it? Do I want to play with it? And I haven't been disappointed yet. So, and I've gotten, this is my second year of doing this. Of getting Live Glam, Shadow Me. So, I'm pleasantly surprised, and I do enjoy them. So, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I hope to talk to you soon. And I hope everybody's enjoying their makeup and their skincare.